Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI, and if you need a gift for a special occasion coming up, I have the perfect solution. It's this knife block by YOUSUNLONG. It is a gorgeous Acacia magnetic block that can hold up to 10-inch knives. The reason I love this idea is because I am trying to save counter space, and with this, I am able to put knives that didn't fit before because they were too wide. So this is magnetic, it's strong, and I'm able to put anything on it, including kitchen shears. I can even put my kitchen timer that is magnetic as well. It is very functional and it's double-sided, so that really increases your storage. If you're like me, your knife block will most likely be a very prominent piece of your kitchen. I never put mine away. So in that aspect, it does become decoration. So why not get a beautiful one that is practical and it really brings some natural warmth into your kitchen with this natural grain wood. If you give this to anyone as a housewarming gift, a wedding gift, a college gift, or even a treat yourself gift, you will not be disappointed. It comes in a beautiful box and it will be ready to gift just as it is. But that is just my point of view.